Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of made in China. We go to settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Then here in this page we search about the application of made in China. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then we click on clear cache. Here you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.